Hello everyone, welcome back to Kele Kitchen. Today's video will show you easy steps to make a perfect chocolate brown cake. Yes, if you have been struggling to get a good chocolate brown cake, this video is for you. So just come closer, let us make this chocolate cake, and we garnish this chocolate yummy brownie cake with some white chocolate buttercream and some sugar beet topping. So you can use any topping of your choice. Yes, if today is your first time here, this is Kele Kitchen. A warm welcome to you. Please do subscribe to our channel, like our video, share our video, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning back to watch all our videos. You mean so much to us. Yes, so here are the list of the ingredients you will use to achieve this wonderful brownie cupcake. This ingredient is for 24 cupcakes. You can reduce the quantity or you can double it as the case may be. So this is our flour. First of all, you stiff your flour very well. After stiffing your flour, you go with your cocoa powder. You stiff that also. Then after that, you're gonna add your sugar, the white sugar and the brown sugar. Add all the dry ingredients together and mix them thoroughly well to combine. Then in another bowl, add your melted butter. And after that, you're gonna use your hand mixer and whisk it together. If you don't have hand mixer, you can use your normal whisk. It can work. Then you add gently your egg one after the other and whisk everything together until they are well combined and they are fluffy. Then you go in with your milk. Gradually you go in with your milk and mix all the wet ingredients together. After that, you're gonna go ahead and start adding them, mix them with dry ingredients. And for the milk, I added the milk in 2 batches. I added the milk first in the butter mix and later I added the last part of the milk as I mixed it. Still watching up to this point and you have not yet subscribed, just go ahead and hit on the button. It is all free, and do not forget to on your notification button so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. Feel free to like our video, share and comment. If you have any question, do let us know in the comment section here. So you can see here our batter for the cupcake is ready now. I go in with my 2 tablespoons of vanilla flavor. So after mixing everything, do not over mix, and then your cupcake mixture is ready. So do you have a cupcake pan? Yes, just get it and fill in the batter inside the cupcake. So after filling in cupcake, you have to heat the pan a little so that everything can settle down before you bake them in your preheated oven. So this very one, we baked it for 175 degrees for 25 minutes. Just check it out. The cupcake is looking so good, so warm, so yummy. So after baking, leave it for 5 minutes in your oven. Open the oven door for 5 minutes, and after that you bring it out and allow the cupcake to cool down. So just go ahead after that and bake the rest of the cupcake you have, depending on the quantity you are making. So here are the remaining mixture of the cupcake. So just go ahead, put them in the pan and then straight to the oven and bake them gently and carefully. Just check out how everything turned out. They are looking so good. So after that, allow them to cool as we make our chocolate buttercream. So this chocolate white buttercream, these are the ingredients. that you will use to achieve a nice and a fluffy white chocolate buttercream. You can use any buttercream of your choice. Just follow the process and then you will get a good white chocolate buttercream. So we have our chocolate in place. Add your butter, then melt it in the microwave for only 30 seconds. After melting it for 30 seconds, so gently go ahead and melt the chocolate. Do not overheat it in the microwave, otherwise the chocolate will get burnt. So when you have done mixing the chocolate, you set it aside. This is your butter. Your butter has to be on a room temperature, so you go ahead and whisk it very well until they are fluffy. After that, you get your white chocolate mix and combine it with your butter together. Yes, it is very easy. So after combining everything together, set it aside. So go ahead and mix the butter and your white chocolate mixture together. As you can see here, I used a whisk so that I can get a good mixture. So once that is done, you set it aside, and in another clean bowl, you just separate your egg because we need only the egg white. So after the egg white, you add your sugar, and then you're gonna have your pots with a warm water boiling. So you place the bowl on top of the boiling water. The boiling water should be on a medium-low temperature. The reason is for us to mix the egg white with the sugar. Just to watch the video, you can see the process. So you go ahead and keep mixing and mixing until the sugar is well melted and dissolved. For you to know that your sugar has been melted, you will see the consistency will change, as you can see here. Or you can equally dip your finger inside and just rub your two fingers together. Once you rub them, you will notice that you don't have any crunchy sugar again in your finger. That means everything is now melted. So after that, you bring it out from the boiling water, and then with your whisk, you go ahead and start whisking and mixing together. Yeah, this process will take you like 2 to 3 minutes depending on the quantity of the egg you are mixing. So gently allow it. As you mix, it will start forming. So go ahead and keep mixing them until you have a good, well mixed egg white. As you can see, the color has changed, becoming white and foamy. This is what you want. So keep mixing until you get a thick mixture. Yeah. So once that is done, just take your mixture of the butter and the chocolate and then combine everything with your egg white. Meanwhile, the egg white has been cooked when you were mixing it with the hot water. So just feel free, because that's the process. You now go ahead and mix everything to get a good white chocolate buttercream. Yeah. So you can use your whisk to mix them to have a fluffy white buttercream, as you can see in this video as I demonstrated them. Yes, if you are still watching up to this moment, yeah, meaning you like this video, you If you have not subscribed, just go ahead, subscribe to our channel, put on your notification bell to notify you whenever we upload a new video. So we are almost there. The buttercream is ready. So now you go ahead with your piping bag and go ahead and pipe it. So we have, choose any nozzle of your choice. So this is the nozzle we have. You set your cupcake, allow the cupcake to cool. By now the cupcake is already cool. Then you go ahead, arrange everything together and start piping your cake. Yeah, so you can pipe to any design of your choice. After piping the cupcake, you go ahead, add any topping of your choice. Like as I said, we use the gold braille bead to use to top. So just go ahead, add any topping of your choice, and your cupcake is ready. So sit tight and enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much, everyone. We appreciate you all. Yeah.